Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off and remove batteries or unplug USB to avoid shorts. Lay the controller face down and remove visible screws. Keep them organized so reassembly is exact. Use a spudger to gently pry the case seams. Apply even pressure to avoid clips snapping. Once the halves separate, make sure to note ribbon cable positions and battery connector orientation. You'll need those exact alignments later. This prevents confusion and reduces rework when you move into cleaning and component inspection. You now inspect the PCB and connectors under good light or magnification. Look for cracked solder joints, lifted pads, or corrosion that causes intermittent inputs. Clean button and stick contacts with 90% isopropyl and a soft brush, then dry completely. If analog drift persists, swap the stick module or carefully reflow cold solder joints using a fine iron. Make sure to apply heat briefly to avoid board damage. Once components are secure, test the buttons and analogs while the board is accessible to verify fixes before closing up. You reassemble by reconnecting ribbon cables and the battery connector, aligning shell clips, and replacing screws in their original holes to maintain structural integrity. Once closed, plug into your console or PC and run a calibration routine or controller tester to verify full range and button mapping. If problems remain, make sure connectors are fully seated, check for missed solder defects, or replace the suspect module. Repeating the targeted repair is often the only way to resolve lingering faults. Keep one key
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.